Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
Polygon, Matic, has been one of the modest bunch projects that have amassed the cryptoverse, with its utility and spread on the outlines. Not to pass up a great opportunity, Polygon has likewise switched the view of the group up Layer 2 conventions. The organization has now set up a standard for rising Layer 2 conventions. Its local token Matic is an ERC20 symbolic that controls the Polygon network. Matic has depicted amazing cost runs in the new past. Also, brags an astounding ROI 19,474.25%. Contemplating whether you ought to consider Matic for your next shopping binge? This Matic cost expectation sticks the attainable focuses for 2022 and the years to come. Polygon price prediction 2022 Matic had started the exchange for 2022 with a sticker price of $2.503. The altcoin saw a tumble to $1.913 in the absolute first 7-day stretch of the year, after a momentary retracement to $2.452 by the 18th of January. The resource slid down to its most memorable cycle base at $1.313 on the 24th of January. After a progression of moving sideways until the principal 7-day stretch of February, Matic's value spiked to $2.096 on February 7th. This was again brief, as the strained quality in the business prompted a downswing. All things considered, Matic's cost had been running nearer to its vital help levels and had shut its exchange for Q1 at $1.6958. The subsequent quarter has been assaulting for Matic, similar to some other digital money in the business. The exasperating negative patterns enhanced by the bankruptcy emergency of key part have left the business at the base. The altcoin after a solid bounce back is as of now down 45% down from the pinnacle of Q2. Polygon price prediction for Q3. Matic starting the second from last quarter on a bullish note will bring the genuinely necessary stimulus for the development of better upsides. In the event that the drives like consume components and ZK rollups bear organic products, the cost could take off to its expected high of $1.195. Assuming the substantiates gauge the bulls, the cost could land at $0.844. All things considered, normal exchange would leave the cost at $1.005. Matic price prediction for Q4. In the event that the local resource of the Layer 2 convention starts the last leg with positive thinking, the cost of Matic with nostalgic force could spike to $1.442 toward the finish of 2022, while comment trading tensions would restrict the cost to $1.203. Assuming clients look for fresher Layer 1s over the Polygon organization, the cost could tumble to $1.040. Polygon price prediction for 2023. Assuming Matic cost looks for catalyst from the developing selections and advancements in the convention, the cost could close the yearly exchange for 2023, with an expected high of $2.378. All things considered, the computerized resource could exchange with an ordinary sticker price of $1.715 while perhaps not much impulse is gotten. Assuming that the organization sees lesser reception and movement attributable to ETH 2.0, the cost could tumble to $1.290. Matic crypto price prediction for 2024. Polygon being one of the unmistakable Layer 2 conventions, the ascent and predominance of the area will be productive for the computerized resource. It could lead the space at the very front, with its basic assets. In such a situation, the cost of Matic could take off to a limit of $3.637 toward the finish of 2024. Running against the norm, assuming that Layer 2s are outthrown by Layer 1s, Matic could sink to the lows of $1.910. Progressively, a balance in trading tensions could land the cost at $2.623. Polygon price prediction for 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, Matic is expected to be in the main 10 digital currencies list. A few inbound turns of events and organizations could prompt its development. In the event that the organization can additionally deal with TPS, and give driving force to its POS chain addresses. It could ultimately help ETH holders and impel the cost to $5.482. That said, according to Polygon, while the dynamic POS chain addresses have made considerable progress on the higher time period. Notwithstanding, in the event that the bears continue pulling the costs down because of a potential market slump or any outer discussions, accordingly, the cost could tumble to $2.908 toward the finish of 2025. All things considered, optimistically speaking, with its superior adaptability and Layer 2 blockchain's drawn-out progress, Matic should have been visible exchanging at $3.899. What is Polygon, Matic, token? An Indian-based crypto stage established by Jayant Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun handles some particular versatility issues. Furthermore, speeds up alongside network versatility. The Matic network expects to settle the adaptability gives the Ethereum blockchain manages. In February 2021, the stage rebranded to the Polygon organization, for certain mechanical overhauls and a more extensive goal. Basic analysis. The organization deals with a proof-of-stake agreement and has a sidechain of the components and a gathering of validators. These validators vow to expand the TPS, in this manner likewise lessening exchange charges. The organization deals with the plasma structure that outstandingly settle versatility issues, hence forestalling network blockage. Matic Network is a Layer 2 scaling stage that works with quick and gets off-chain exchanges for installments and summed-up off-chain shrewd agreements. It is a scaling answer for the Ethereum organization, which permits Ethereum-based exchanges to be handled rapidly utilizing imaginative conventions. The convention utilizes the Plasma Edge to foster decentralized applications, dApps. Adding to it, the organization is additionally anticipating making work area wallets and program augmentations. Plasma is a particular structure for effectively making dApps that can connect flawlessly with one another. Besides, the POS-designated spots help various exchanges happening on a solitary side chain. Our Matic price prediction. The people group could work together with specific different ventures and new companies to improve the convention. As Matic involves extraordinary highlights like versatility and security, it might upgrade its client base. With additional intercessions, the cost can take off during the clog that occurs on Ethereum. Accordingly, planned Matic cost expectation. New financial backers switch in the leaning toward market patterns for Matic can bring about arriving at new achievements. Thusly, the altcoin can hit $1.50 as the year closes. Nonetheless, assuming it neglects to keep up and get more financial backers, the cost